Piedmont Lithium held a virtual special meeting of stockholders on July 31, 2025, which was adjourned until August 11, 2025, due to a lack of attendance. The company requires a majority of outstanding shares to vote in favor of a proposed merger with Sayona Mining Limited. As of the meeting time, 41.52% of the common stock outstanding and entitled to vote were present, either virtually or represented by proxy, which fell short of the required attendance of greater than 50% of outstanding shares. The preliminary voting results showed that 97.86% of the votes cast were in favor of the merger. Specifically, 8,846,660 shares voted for the merger, 192,655 shares voted against, and 74,017 shares abstained. For the advisory proposal on compensation for named executive officers in connection with the merger, 7,618,002 shares voted for, 1,270,705 shares voted against, and 224,625 shares abstained. The company encourages all stockholders to vote, as the polls remain open until the adjourned meeting. Stockholders who have already submitted their proxies do not need to vote again, but they can update their votes if needed. The company has extended the voting cutoff time for CDI holders to August 7, 2025. Piedmont Lithium CEO, Keith Phillips, emphasized the importance of shareholder participation, stating that a majority of shares outstanding need to vote in favor of the merger for it to proceed. The adjourned special meeting will be held virtually on August 11, 2025, at 11 a.m. Eastern Time. Stockholders can participate in the meeting by visiting the company's website and entering their 16-digit control number. Those holding shares in street name should contact their bank or broker to obtain a legal proxy to participate in the meeting. The company will provide final voting results in its filings with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission within 4 business days.